So right now the teacher has an option to post into Google Classroom right here and can announce something. And if I were to go around onto the student view right here, the student is able to announce something as well. But that's normally something that you don't want, or you may want to turn off. Or sometimes you just may want to leave that on because you want students to interact in the classroom as well. But if you want to go around and turn off the streaming option for student, that is, if you don't want them to announce something to class and you just want to use your classroom for announcement, then you can click on the gear icon to access out the settings right here. So once you do that, you can go around and scroll down over here, and you can see that stream is an option over here. So if I were to go around and expand this, then you have an option right here. So right now you can see students can post and comment. But if you were to go around and click on students can only comment, then what happens is that you will be able to post and students will be able to comment on that post, and that's it. They won't be able to make a new post themselves or make a new announcement themselves. Or if you want to, let's say, for example, just turn off all the student interaction, and if they are, let's say, for example, spamming your classroom, then you may want to set it to only teachers can post or comment. So let me just go around and select this and hit the save button right here, just like this. And what happens is that you can see that on your end, nothing actually changes out right here. But on the student's end, so on the student's end, what happens is that they don't have the announcement section anymore, or in case of any post, they won't be able to do any comment. And that is how you can set the stream permission as you like right here in Google Classroom. But if you want to go ahead and turn it back on again, you can simply go around on the settings, and then you can click on students can post and comment as well, and you can go around and save it. And then what happens is that if I were to refresh out the student view, you can see the announcement section there once more. And that is how you can go around and set up the stream permission inside of Google Classroom for students so that they can post or announce or do nothing. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.